In America, the average healthy lifespan ends at around 66. After that point, most people begin relying on medications, procedures, and gradual compromises to their independence as each year passes. In Japan, however, the picture looks completely different. The country now has over 95,000 citizens aged 100 and older who are not just alive but still active, alert, mobile, and able to walk to the market without assistance. The question is always the same: what are they doing differently? It isn't magic, it isn't perfect genetics, and it isn't expensive supplements or rigorous workouts. The answer lies in a deeply rooted cultural habit that has existed since 1928: nationwide morning movement routine practiced by children, adults, and seniors alike. It consists of 6 gentle exercises, takes only about 15 minutes, and requires no equipment, no gym, and no special training. Yet its impact on strength, balance, mobility, and longevity is remarkable. The first movement is known as Shiko Dachi, or the sumo stance. Used for more than 1,500 years by Japan's strongest athletes, it isn't just for wrestlers. This wide, grounded stance builds the exact kind of leg strength older adults need: the ability to rise from a chair, climb stairs, maintain balance, and prevent dangerous falls. To practice it, stand with your feet set twice the width of your shoulders, turn your toes outward at 45 degrees, and lower your hips slowly as if sitting between your legs rather than behind them. Keep your chest open and your spine tall. Beginners can place their hands on their thighs or use a wall for support. Even holding this stance for 20 or 30 seconds can have a noticeable effect, and working up to a minute or 2 helps awaken the quads, glutes, and inner thighs. These muscles often weaken dramatically after age 50, and when they do, independence slips quietly out of reach. Strengthening them restores confidence and makes everyday movements feel years easier. Studies show this stance activates more leg muscles than traditional squats, all while placing less strain on the joints, making it ideal for aging bodies. The second movement, Nekao-Ashidaki, or cat stance, challenges balance in a subtle but transformative way. Inspired by the poised readiness of a cat about to leap, it trains the deep, stabilizing muscles that protect the body from falls. One foot rests slightly in front, like a cat testing the ground, while the back foot holds most of the body's weight. Knees stay soft and the hips face forward. It may feel awkward at first, but this is exactly what wakes up the ankles, hips, feet, and core. Holding this posture for 20 or 30 seconds on each side strengthens the muscles that help you navigate uneven ground, slippery floors, curbs, and unexpected shifts in your environment. Japanese physical therapists often use this stance to retrain patients recovering from ankle or knee injuries. With practice, small weight shifts or arm movements can be added to increase the challenge. It is a simple but potent exercise that reconnects the mind and body and greatly improves stability. From here, the practice moves to the floor with a centuries-old sitting position called seiza. While it looks traditional, its effects on posture are modern and essential. Sit on your knees with the tops of your feet resting on the floor, and then lower yourself gently onto your heels. If that feels too tight for your ankles or knees, which is extremely common, place a cushion between your hips and feet. This slight adjustment reduces pressure, but still allows you to experience the benefits. Seiza stretches the hip flexors and quadriceps, muscles that shorten due to long hours of sitting in chairs. These tight muscles are primary contributors to the hunched, stooped posture associated with aging. Seiza releases and lengthens these areas while activating the deep core muscles that support the spine. Practicing this position for even 1 minute a day helps reset posture more effectively than many back braces. After preparing the body, the focus turns inward with Zazen, a seated meditation posture rooted in Zen Buddhism. While it is often seen as a spiritual practice, Zazen is also a powerful physical exercise. Sitting cross-legged with a cushion under the hips, the spine rises naturally into alignment. The posture activates the deep core, stabilizes the pelvis, and trains the body to hold itself upright with minimal effort. Meanwhile, slow, intentional breathing stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, the body's healing and calming center. This helps lower stress, reduce cortisol levels, and improve emotional regulation, sleep quality, and pain tolerance. Starting with 5 or 10 minutes of quiet breathing gradually builds to 15 or 20 minutes. Over time, this practice doesn't just strengthen the spine, but sharpens mental clarity and restores calm to the nervous system. The next movement, Kibidachi or horse stance, brings strength training back into the routine. A favorite of samurai and martial artists, this stance is used to develop stability, power, and endurance. Feet are placed slightly wider than shoulder width but kept parallel. With knees bent and hips lowered as though sitting on an invisible horse, the legs and core engage immediately. Holding this posture strengthens the quads, glutes, and inner thighs, while improving the body's ability to resist lateral movement, one of the most important factors in preventing falls. This stance also enhances proprioception, the body's awareness of where it is in space, which declines naturally with age. Practicing Kibidachi consistently improves coordination and makes walking on uneven paths, stepping off curbs, or navigating busy environments feel easier and safer. Finally, the routine concludes with the wall squat, known as the invisible chair. Though not ancient, it is widely used by modern Japanese trainers and physiotherapists because it pulls together every strength developed in the previous movements. Standing with your back against a wall and sliding down until the knees reach 90 degrees turns the legs and core on instantly. Holding this position for 30 seconds builds endurance, and increasing the time gradually strengthens the muscles that support posture, walking, and joint alignment. Wall squats also stimulate slow-twitch muscle fibers, improve blood flow, reduce knee pain, and help maintain bone density, an essential factor in preventing osteoporosis. Adding a pillow or softball between the knees encourages proper knee alignment and activates the inner thighs. Combining these 6 movements forms a system that supports the whole body: strength, posture, balance, flexibility, and nervous system health. The routine does not require performing all 6 every day. Just 5 to 7 minutes daily is enough to make a significant long-term difference. A simple morning routine might include a short session of Seiza, followed by Zazen, and then a brief round of the cat stance to awaken balance. An evening routine might include the sumo stance, the horse stance, and a 2-minute wall squat to finish. These small, intentional movements accumulate quietly over time, building stability, energy, and confidence. The Japanese philosophy of continuous improvement Kaizen teaches that big transformations come from small steps taken consistently. By starting with just one movement, 1 minute a day, anyone can begin strengthening their future self and reclaiming the vitality that supports independence and quality of life at any age.